Anglo American is a participant in the Hydrogen Council for three key reasons. First, we believe in hydrogen as a great fuel source for the future, as it's both clean and efficient. Secondly, we want to be a user of hydrogen as an energy source for our operations because it'll help reduce our costs and, of course, make us a much cleaner company. And three, we produce precious metals like platinum, palladium and rhodium that is used in the energy process from hydrogen. And so for us, we're also potentially a significant supplier to the hydrogen industry. So they, for us, are three compelling reasons to be involved with such a great group. In times of great change, it's really important where people who think about how to implement change, companies that are involved in designing and implementing change, and bringing the broader community together in navigating great change. It's important to build a critical mass. People talk about climate change. People talk about energy efficiency and clean energy sources. Hydrogen is potentially at the forefront of those conversations. Bringing the people together that understand hydrogen through this initiative, I think, is really important in that we start talking to a real hydrogen economy, a future for the world, a clean future, and we think this group can help speed up and bring together the minds that make this practical and efficient. So I think it's a critical initiative in terms of designing a new future that we can all be proud of and certainly will benefit everyone across the globe. I think the activities of the Hydrogen Council will be important in that what you're bringing together is people that understand various elements of the technologies. What we need to do is bring people together and focus on how those technologies can fit together to find practical solutions. So bringing the brains of the various parts of the industry value chain together to help design great solutions that work for the globe at large, absolutely critical. You've got the right people in the room. Secondly, I think the profile that you bring to those conversations is also absolutely critical because we have to convince politicians, we have to convince people doing a whole range of things that these sorts of technologies would be better for them and certainly better for the globe at large. So I think that's absolutely critical as well. And then finally, in finding those practical solutions, there will be a lot of technical collaboration required. And so bringing this group together helps us identify what the really technical basic elements need to be worked on are, and it sets us off on different pathways, solving those problems that will need to be solved to make sure that we've got something that works for everyone. So the specific actions that we've taken as a company is we are first an investor in venture capital companies looking to develop applications for the use of hydrogen technologies through the application of fuel cells. Now obviously we benefit from the use of precious metals, but that's a big opportunity for us, and we've invested $110 million since 2009 in those venture capital opportunities. We're also a promoter of the use of hydrogen through fuel cells and making sure that that awareness is being spread across the globe, particularly in relation to automobiles and other technologies where hydrogen and our products can be used in a very practical way. I think third, to be able to cooperate and work with key players, we've been able to have an impact on the way they think because of what we bring to the table in our knowledge of precious metals, their application, and how they can maybe get the best out of the hydrogen technologies in terms of energy and other applications. So it's about bringing all of those pieces together, and for us, I think we've been a significant contributor over a number of years.